Dude,
It's perfect. It's gonna be perfect.
it's gonna look so much better. Oh my god. And dude, did you see this yet?
No. Why? So we're here with the Superior Jack. The salmon boat setup. Getting it ready for the season. As you can see, we're here in the storage garage. Got some crazy shit in here. This is our baby, the old Superior Jack. You really can't beat it. It's a beast. This is the Lake Michigan salmon fishing regalia.
Yeah, straight up.
Oh, we got the project booming in here. About to put some trim on with some carpeted ceiling. Got a Chevy motor.
It's a Ford.
It's a Ford motor. Got all our salmon rigs up here. We'll get to those in a second. As you can see, mostly old used equipment. A lot of Craigslist. A lot of garage sales. All you need to do. Planer boards. The whole,
As good as it
9
gets.
yards.
As good as it gets, folks. Last
Well-
year was her first year in service. And did she boat a lot of fish? Fishin Bone.
A lot of big ones, a lot of big kings came into this boat. And you'll be seeing that this season. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get to work on this. You're about to see some heavy project work, refurbishing, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Off to Ace Hardware.
Yeah,
Where the real magic is.
before I piss my pants.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Jake,
Real quick.
so the essentials for salmon fishing here is you gotta have the downriggers. You gotta have your planer boards. You know,
Yeah,
you get 10 poles going out at once. You got your lead core set up for the planer boards. You got your regular mono that you put up, rig up on these downriggers here. And you're good to go. Basically, we run some flies every so often, but the big hitters are the spoons. As you can see, we got a lot of spoons.
in the summertime, the flies were good.
It all depends out there. Really, when you fish with Fishin Bone, you get salmon no matter what's on there. But a lot of Wonder Bread color. None of them are on yet, but they will be. You'll see. It's going to be insane.
It's not necessarily a bass boat, but it works. Anything back there? Breaker.
Breaker. We got Fishin Bone.
Anybody out there?
Fishin Bone, come in. Mayday. All of that. Yeah, when you're out there and you don't got a radio like we did one time, we didn't have GPS or radio on a 14-foot 72 Miracraft.
Where's your lighter?
We got fucked. No land. in sight. You come salmon fishing with Fishin Bone, that'll put some hair on your chest.
You're in for a treat. Your boat only works part of the time.
Yeah, it's life or death out there on the big drink. There's no denying it. Kind of shit we're dealing with, boys.
Just toss it down. Fuck that.
Don't need this out of the fucking rover. Oh, watch out for this antenna.
Okay.
Woo!
What the fuck is this?
That's the pisser hole. Ooh, we dirty.
Here, we got some fucking. We gotta get this out of this tackle box. Shit.
Right there, baby.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Flies for days.
Dude, I need more fucking tackle space. It's fucking nuts. That's so sick. This tackle box is shot. We got fucking stingers. Dude, these J plugs are hot. Fucking poppers. Aye! Fucking right, dude.
That's what's up.
What do with this?
Untangle and wrangle. No, untangle and angle.
Fresh bag of baby. Then you got the real good shit that nobody knows about. Not even me. I don't know what this thing's up for, but I got fucking fish here. I got one of those. Most importantly, just I don't know how to describe it. I had this feeling.
Yeah, you can tell that that's gonna look pristine.
All right, grab me.
Here.
The screws are right up front.
Dude, this carpet looks pretty good though.
Yeah, dude. Are you kidding me? It's gonna be so much nicer once I. Fuck the impact. All right. Now we'll fill in the dots. Dude,
It's perfect. It's gonna be perfect.
it's gonna look so much better. Oh my god. And dude, did you see this yet?
No. Why?
I'll show you.
You ever swallow a screw? Did you miss?
It just didn't grab anything. Dude, I could just work in here though, like all winter. This
Yeah.
boat, we got so much to do with the seats.
Yeah, as you can see, you got a lot of work
See
to
that-
do on this
that one
thing.
grabbed like a motherfucker.
There it is. Woohoo! Tight.
Yeah,
Nice and snug.
that's how it needs to be. Let me put something beefier in there. Oh, well, she broke. It'll happen though.
Putting in these vents. And we're gonna get to the electrical. A lot of work to do, as you can see, but when this thing's all put together, you're not even gonna fucking believe it. I'm telling you, it's gonna be nuts. But we're gonna get to these vents.
Yeah.
As you can see, snaking.
Well, here you have it, folks.
Looking pretty good,
This is
to
it.
say the least.
This until you want a boat.
All this is gonna be tied up in here. This is gonna be no big deal.
This is gonna get freaking the best light.
Hooking up the boat.
$5.
A lot of lightage. We get out there at like 3 a.m. It's dark.
$5 a pop.
It's the big drink, so you need the lights. So gonna get that done here.
The real deal.
It is the real deal. It's all there is to it. Ooh, baby.
And that is what it's all about.
Yeah, when you see the finished product of this bad boy, it runs, baby. Doesn't matter the waves out there. You got no problems hitting 35 miles an hour in this bad boy.
They don't come back with fish like us. That's a fact.
That's what's up.
Can you even believe in this boat being with us?
That's gonna be cool.
I was in shock when I saw this.
When we're in freezing temperatures out there catching salmon on the big drink, we're gonna be fucking warm in there. We got a little buddy heater. Never had the life of luxury like this out there on the big drink, you know what I mean? Fucking, this is where it's at.
Yeah, she's cleaning up, dude.
There you have it.
That's it.
On our way.
Gotta do some vacuuming now.
Boat restoration. Getting ready for the season.
Sure are.
There's nothing else to say about this.
That's a fucking wrap.